Volocopter recently completed a new test run for the electric helicopter in Singapore with speeder vertical takeoff and landing technology, and they are so confident in this taxi service that they have started selling tickets. Volocopter CZO Christian Bauer commented on the deal. This MOU marks a real step toward our commercial launch in Singapore. We are grateful to our forward-looking partners, said Christian Bauer. Volocopter will only open this service in Singapore in 2024. Even so many people, they are very enthusiastic about welcoming a new era in terms of transportation that is more environmentally friendly. In this case, Volocopter is still trying to figure out where the production of the air taxi is. Once the details are finalized, Volocopter hopes to become a major part of the Cylinder aerospace park, which is being built as Singapore's aerospace hub. This location will have various supporting facilities including a vertiport terminal, airside facilities and others to support research and development. If it is complemented by a functional air taxi service, it will be a big step forward for the air taxi segment. Having a manufacturing and MRO facility in Singapore, compared with collaboration between industry partners, government agencies, and regulators, will enhance Singapore's position as a major aviation hub and AAM industry leader in the region. As is well known, Singapore has made a name for itself in terms of technology, and of course, this step is in line with what the country aspires to. The company announced a partnership with Cylinder Aerospace Park, which is being built as Singapore's airspace hub. The park is planned to have several supporting facilities including a vertiport terminal, airside facilities to support research and development. The entry Volocopter flying taxi flight will later serve flight routes to Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore's well-known domestic flight routes such as Marina Bay, Sentosa, and Singapore. For Indonesia, Volocopter will serve the route to Batam. It is estimated that the journey from Chinch to Batam will take less than 20 minutes if taken using a Volocopter flying car.